Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video we are going to be making yummy egg rolls. So here is our ingredients. We have flour, you can use any flour of your choice. We have butter, we have eggs, we have sugar, we have nutmeg and baking powder. Let's get started guys. Guys, we are going to start by adding our egg to the water. We are going to let the egg to cook till it's done. So we are going to start by making our flour, baking powder, and nutmeg, then sugar. Now we are going to be adding our salt. So we are going to mix together. So as you can see, we change our plate. We are not using rubber because that one was too small, and we use the bigger one. So we mix our butter together. So I prefer to use my hands. So we are going to be adding our egg. You can use more than one egg depending on the quantity of your flour. But I'm going to be using one. So the flour is going to look like this. So we have our egg, and we are going to mix together. And we are going to be adding our milk. You can use powder milk, and you can use any milk of your choice. We're adding our milk. So we are going to let this rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Guys, our eggs are ready, and we are going to be adding our oil into the pot, and we are going to knead this flour for about 3 minutes. So guys, we add our flour into the flour, and we are going to knead this for about 3 minutes, just a little bit, so that we get our dough, our softened dough, and smooth. So guys, we are going to put our dough. And we are going to be adding our egg. You have to seal it well so that it don't burst in the oil. we are going to set this aside. So guys, we are going to set this aside, and we are going to check on our oil. We are still going to wait for a few more minutes. As you can see, the oil is not yet hot. Let me give the gas a volume. So guys, we are going to add our first set of egg rolls. So we are going to add buns as well. I really like my buns to have different shapes, so I don't press it or knit it. I want it to have different type of crunchy shape, so you can do yours the way you want. Then we are going to let this to fry and cook inside. So we are going to let it cook for like 5 to 6 minutes. So guys, we let it cook. Guys, did you see that? How beautiful it is. So we are still going to leave this to cook for a few more minutes. So guys, we are going to start flipping the other side. I can't wait to start eating this. Oh. You see how beautiful it is, and I love how the shape is because of the crunching. So guys, we are still going to let this cook for a few more minutes. So guys, we are going to flip one more time, and then we will start removing them. So we are going to start by removing our buns first. So guys, we are going to remove this. So guys, we are going to add our last set of egg rolls. And we are going to add our buns as well. So guys, we are going to let this fry just like the other set. Then we will be back in a few minutes. So guys, we are going to be flipping this to the other side. So guys, we are going to let this side to cook too for about few minutes, and we are done. Guys, oh my goodness, you see what I love about this egg roll is the crunching. I love the buns so much. I'm already eating it. I have eaten more than 4 to 5 because of the crunchiness. So we are going to be removing this. It's so yummy, soft and crunchy. Don't forget to try this, guys. Guys, as you can see, our egg roll is ready. So we are going to cut one so that you guys can see inside of it. Just a moment. So we are going to be cutting this. Guys, did you see that? The egg roll is looking beautiful and yummy. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and watch. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. See you on my next video. Bye.